Descriptive statistics in Excel, frequencies. In order to find frequencies for a categorical variable, we are going to use the pivot table feature. If you click on the Insert tab and then click Pivot Table, we automatically have a table range selected, which it selected all of our data, and we would like our pivot table placed in a new worksheet. Click OK. And here we have the option of creating our pivot table. So first we select the variable we are interested in finding the frequencies for. So I'm going to click sex because that is the variable I am interested in. Now, currently it's telling us the sum of sex, and that's not what we want. We want to know how many ones and how many twos there are in this data set. So we are going to click and drag sex. So now we see the 1 and the 2 in each of the rows. However, in the column, we still have sum of sex. So I'm going to go down here to that sum of sex and click on it, and then click Value Field Settings. So I don't want the sum of sex. I am actually looking for the count of sex. So I select count, and then I select OK. So now it tells us how many ones there are and how many twos there are. But what if we wanted to know the percentage? To add another column with the percent of sex, we are going to, once again, check our sex variable, it's already checked, and click and drag it down to the values box. So now we see we have two columns, count of sex and sum of sex. So we want to change the sum of sex column to percent. So we go back down to the value field settings, and we want the count, and then we are going to click on this tab, Show Values As. We want to show the values as the percent of the column total. So we select that, click OK, and now we see what percent are ones and what percent are twos.